Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. As you saw in the previous video, I left off right when we started doing the paint job. So this episode is going to be about the process of painting and of course the color that I chose. I'm so excited for you guys to see it. It looks absolutely amazing. So let's get started. What we are doing here is adding the primer. The color of the paint is not going to be black. This is just the primer, and that is added to make sure that the paint goes on smoothly without any flaws. As you can see here, we have a few different rooms set up with all the panels. We decided to paint the panels rather than the car assembled, just to make sure the paint job turns out absolutely flawless. The guys at Masterpiece are perfectionists and they did such a good job. And now it is time for the actual paint. As some of you guys know, when I first got the Land Rover 8 years ago, I always wanted it to have this dark gunmetal gray, semi-matte color, and the original paint job was not done professionally at all. It was just like a backyard paint job. And because the original color was blue, that blue was kind of showing through, giving it this bluish gray color, which is not what I envisioned. So this time around, I decided to do the paint job that I had always dreamed of having. And as you guys can see here, it looks so good. We ended up doing 2 coats of paint, and here we're just making sure that everything is covered well, and now we just have to wait for everything to dry. From here on out, I didn't really get to record too much stuff, but I promise you guys the next episode is going to be a lot of fun, and I have some really exciting news to share with you all, so please stay tuned. Here I am just doing some dynamatting to the bulkhead I really like Dynamat and I like the color. I like the black with the gray. I'm gonna be doing pretty much the entire truck is gonna be gray with black accents, so everything just goes super well, and obviously it's great for heat and sound deadening. Here I am replacing the gauges. The previous ones were the originals, so they were just old and worn. And I also replaced all the lights for LEDs, which in my opinion looks so much better. And it's much brighter, so I can see better at nighttime. And that's it for this episode. I know this one was a short one, but like I mentioned before, the next episode is going to be so exciting. And I can't wait to show you guys what is in store next, so please stay tuned.